Izakhamuzi zithi angeke ziyeke ukubhikisha uma iziphathimandla zingafiki ukuzokhulumisana nazo.
The Mbombela local municipality is underestimating us. They do not recognize us in terms of employment, in terms of service delivery, and then now they have made a decision with the demarcation board that Umjini is no longer coming back.
Imeya yaseMbombela ithi ibingazi ngokuqhubekayo kepha izozama ukuhlangana nazo zonke izinhlangano ezibamba iqhaza emphakathini ukuze kutholakale isixazululo.
We have not even been told that we needed to go and address, unfortunately. We just woke up today and I saw it on social media. And we had this program and the traditional leadership is here. Some traditional leaders are from the Umjini area that are here today as well to receive this infrastructure or this fleet that we have bought for them as communities. What we are going to do after this meeting will be to meet with traditional leaders on the ground. We will have to meet with councillors.
Unxenxe umphakathi ukuba ungacekeli phansi ingqalasizinda ozoyidinga kusasa.
We are going to request that they ensure that they do not ban the infrastructure that they are going to be needing tomorrow. Somewhere 2 or 3 weeks ago, we unveiled a community hall in Umjini. And everyone knows that I think in 2017, there was a protest in Umjini where communities of Umjini burned down, I think it was a SAPS police station, burned down a hall. We had to rebuild a hall, Albay working together with the mines.
Lezakhamuzi zifuna umasipala wazo ungahlanganiswa neMbombela ngenxa yokuqoza kwentuthuko.